Hello dear students, in this video I am sharing paper of Neet examination 2021. So let's begin. First question is, which of the following algae produce carrageen? So answer is red algae. So in your textbook, some brown and red algae are known to produce water holding substance called hydrocolloids. For example, red algae produce carrageen. Same way green algae produce chlorophyll, and that's why it is green in color. So carrageen is responsible for red color because it is a red pigment. Next question, genera like Selaginella and Salvinia produce two kind of spores. Such plants are known as, answer is Heterosporous. Hetero means different and sporous it means spore. Both Selaginella and Salvinia are example of pteridophyte and they produce macrospore and microspore, which is known as Heterosporous. 3. Which of the following algae contain mannitol as reserve food material? So answer is D. Ectocarpus. So this mannitol and laminarine are reserve food material of brown algae which is also known as phaeophyceae. So answer is Ectocarpus because it is a brown algae. You can comment on box that what is the reserve food material of plant and animal. 4. Gemmae are present in, answer is liverworts because in liverworts asexual reproduction take place by fragmentation or by specialized structure known as gamete. These gamete are green in color, multicellular, asexual bud which develop in small receptacle called as gamma cup present on hills, and through this gamete new plant develops. 5. Diadelphous stamens are found in, answer is P. So diadelphous condition of stamen, it means union of stamens into two bundle. Example is pea plant. 6. Here you have to match the option. So let's begin. So first is lenticels and the correct option is it is used for the exchange of gases. Generally it is seen on bark of tree. Next, cork cambium. So cork cambium is also known as phallogen. Cork cambium is formed during the secondary growth in cortex region. Secondary cortex, it is also known as phalloderm, and cork is known as suberin deposition. So these are the examples of secondary growth in plant. 7. Also here you have to match list 1 and list 2. So let's begin. A. Cell with active cell division capacity. This type of cells are known as meristematic tissue which is present at tip of root and shoot. B. Tissue having all cells similar in structure and function. Such type of tissue are known as simple tissue. C. Tissue having different types of cells. Such type of tissue are known as complex tissue, and example of complex tissue are xylem and phloem, which is known as vascular tissue of plant. And what is the function of vascular tissue in plant? You can type your answer in comment box. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? So answer is D. Mature sieve tube element possess a conspicuous nucleus and usual cytoplasmic organelles. 9. Match list 1 and 2. So first, cristae. So answer is infolding of mitochondria. Thylakoids, it is a flattened membrane sac in stroma of plastid. Thylakoids are part of chloroplast. Next, centromere. Centromere, it is a primary construction of chromosome. Cisternae, it is a disc-shaped sac in Golgi apparatus. 10. When the centromere is situated in the middle of two equal arms of chromosome, such type of chromosome are known as metacentric. So in metacentric, centromere is present in center part and it forms two equal arm of chromosome. 11. Which of the following are not secondary metabolites in plants? Answer is amino acid and glucose because they are the primary metabolites. 12. Which of the following stage of meiosis involves division of centromere? So answer is anaphase 2. During anaphase 2, splitting of centromere of each chromosome take place, due to which the chromosome moves towards the opposite pole. 13. Match list 1 and list 2. First, cohesion. Cohesion, it is a force which is present amongst the water molecule. B. Adhesion force which is present between the water molecules and the surface area. So here 4 number, attraction towards polar surface. C. Surface tension. Answer is more attraction in liquid phase. And D. Guttation. Guttation, it is a process in which water loss is occur in liquid form. Guttation is seen in grasses and plants of rainforest. 14. The first stable product of CO2 fixation in sorghum. So sorghum, it is a C4 plant. C4 plant in which the first stable product is produced of 4 carbon. So 4 carbon product amongst this is oxaloacetic acid, and in C3 plant the first stable product which is produced is of 3 carbon, which is phosphoglyceric acid. 15. The sites of perception of light in plants during photoperiodism is, answer is leaf. So photoperiodism is a phenomenon in which the plant responds to the length of day and night, means light and dark duration is responsible for the flowering and plant growth, and mainly light is absorbed by leaf. 16. The plant hormone used to destroy weeds in field. So answer is 2,4-D. 2,4-D, it is a synthetic auxin which is widely used to destroy dicotyledonous weeds. 17. Plants follow different pathway in response to environment or phase of life to form different kind of structure. This ability is called as plasticity. So plasticity, in which plant follow different pathway in response to environment or phases of life to form a different kind of structure to survive in environment. 18. Which of the following plant is monoecious? So answer is chorus. So monoecious plant, it means a bisexual condition in which stamens and carpel. Both are present in same flower. 19. A typical angiosperm embryo sac. At maturity, it has 8 nucleus and 7 cells. 20. The term used for transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of different plant during pollination brings genetically different type of pollen grain to stigma. So such type of pollination is example of xenogamy, in which transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a different plant. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe it.